Hello everyone, welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, almost weekend. Friday, November the 18th 2022. We have here 7 extra puzzles. The first one is a letter Sudoku. We have a 2-star Sudoku, then a 3 stars and a 4-star Sudoku. We have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it cijferblok. And the last puzzle, apologies, is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve, otherwise it will be too much for me, all those puzzles, and it's time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yes, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, let me start with the first one. The first one is a 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku number 5501. Yes, 5501. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. But for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 3 2s. 4 3s. Alright, 4 3s. 2 4s. 2 5s. 2 6s. 2 7s. 4 8s. Alright, and 3 9s. So the 3s and 8s are a majority. Can I do something with the 3s? Yes. 3 in the third row. 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third column. 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 3. Alright, 3 3 3 3 3 3 3. Cannot continue with the 3. Need more information. Alright. How about 8 then? 8 8. No. Well. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the last column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes here, and 8 in this second row, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. You see an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, so no 8 there. And 8 in the second row, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in the first column, it could be there. Alright. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. Well, I cannot continue with the 8 now. Need to wait. Need more information. Alright. Okay. Let me look for another digits. Well, we have a 7 in this row. 7 in that row. So the row between and the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers now. In this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in this column. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. So we have a 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the second row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2, alright. 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 in these 2 boxes. Here, 2 in this row. No 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in this column. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So last column, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2 in this row, no 2 there. Here 2 in the last row, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in this row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. That means I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. That means that this box can't be a 2 anymore because we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there then. Okay. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Now I cannot continue with the 2. Alright. Now I cannot continue with the 2. But we have a pair, I believe. The 2 and the 3 in this row. The 2 and the 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 3 places left for the 2 and 3 goes in these 3 boxes. 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. And look, we have a 2 and a 3 in this column. So no 2 and 3 in that box. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have 1 box left in this row for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Alright. 5, 5. And here. The 1 in this row, the 1 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be here. Because those 2 boxes are reserved for the 2 and the 3. So this box should be a 1. Alright, 1, 1. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, and the 3. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, and the 3. 4 is missing. And the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. The 4 goes there. 6, 6. Alright. 4, 4, 4. Okay. 4. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 3 now? No, the 3. Still having troubles with the 3. Let me see. 6. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row. First row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square. So no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this column. Should be there. Alright. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 6, 5, 2. Yeah, we have a 2 in this row, the 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 now in this column. So no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. 3, 3. Still cannot continue with the 3 now. Well, yeah. Need to wait. 3, 5. 3, 5, 7. No, 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8. Okay, need to wait. 3, 5, 8 should be here. The 1 and 1 and a 4. Yeah, 1 and a 4. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in the third row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. Okay, we have a pair again. 5 and a 6 in the third column. 5 and a 6 in the 5 and a 6 in the third column. 5 and a 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. Alright, 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the second row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 4, 7, 9. 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9. And look, we have a 7 in this second column. So no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 4 and the 9. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the third row. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this first row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 9 and a 5. We have a 5 now in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Then, let me see. 1, 6 and 7. Well. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. We have a 9 in the last row. The 9 in the row above. So that row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see a 9 in this column. No 9 there. Here, 9 in the column next. So no 9 there. So in that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Alright. Then, let me see. The 3 in the last column, the 3 in the column next. So that column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and 5 it goes there. So we have 8 in the last row. 8 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. Now we have an 8 in this column. So this box can be an 8 or more. That box should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 1 in the last column. 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now in this row. So no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 and a 7, well, we have a 1 now in this row. So no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 7 and a 6. Well, we have a 7 now in the last row. So no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 6 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Final number in this big square is the number 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. Well, finish in 17 minutes. So well pleased with the time, because I've indicated with 3 stars with 20 to 30 minutes. So my time limit is not passed. So I'm well pleased with the time. So is this really 3 stars? No, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again later on with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.